arithmetic sequence, the 3rd, 5th, and 11th terms are distinct and form a geometric sequence. If the 4th term of the arithmetic sequence is 6, find the 2019th term. Okay, in an arithmetic sequence, actually, we can rewrite the 3rd term as a plus 2d, right? Likewise, yung a sub 5 natin or yung 5th term is actually a plus 4d. Okay? And lastly, our 11th term can be written as a plus 10d. Okay, now it says here, the 4th term is given, which is 6. So, meaning to say, yung a sub 4 ko na 6 is actually equal to a plus 3d. And from here, actually, we can express a in terms of d. That is, my a is actually equal to 6 minus 3d. Therefore, ibig sabihin, so instead of a plus 2d, we can actually rewrite this as 6 minus 3d plus 2d. So, that is 6 minus d. See that? Similarly, okay, 6 minus 3d plus 4d, so that will become 6 plus d. And lastly, okay, yung a plus 10d ko, so magiging 6 minus 3d plus 10d, so that's actually 6 plus 7d. Alright, so again, itong mga to, 6 minus d, 6 plus d, and 6 plus 7d are actually my 3rd, 5th, and 11th terms respectively. Now, actually, itong tatlo, ang sabi sa problem, they form a geometric sequence. Okay, they form a geometric sequence. Meaning to say, okay, so 6 plus d, kung geometric sequence yan, 6 plus d over 6 minus d is actually equal to 6 plus 7d over 6 plus d. Okay? See that? Now, by cross multiplication, so i-multiply ko to dyan. So, 6 plus, that will be 6 plus d to be squared. Right? Equals the product of these two. So, that is 6 plus 7d times 6 minus d. Then that's it. Square the binomial. So, that will be 6 squared, that will be 36, plus 6 times d times 2, that will become 12d. The 3rd term or the last term of this binomial is d squared. Alright, then, fall method. 6 times 6, that will become 36. Okay, this one will become 42d minus 6d, so that will become 42 minus 6 is 36d. Right? And lastly, 7d times negative d is actually 7d squared. And then combine like terms na lang tayo. So clearly, maka-cancel dito yung 36. Okay? So what will be left here actually is that transpose ko yung negative 7 on the right side. That will become 7 plus 1. That will become 8d squared. Right? Then 12 minus 36 is actually negative 24d equal 0. Now, obviously, I can factor out 8d. That will be d minus 3 equals 0. So, it's obvious here. I'm going to have two values of d. The first one is 0, and then the other one is 3. But the problem here is, sabi, the 3rd, 5th, and 11th term are distinct. Okay, ano ibig ko sabihin? If d is 0, that will become 6 minus 0, alright, which is 6. 6 plus 0, which is 6. 6 plus 0, which is another 6. So, which is not distinct. Okay? So, therefore, we ignore d equals 0. So, therefore, the common difference here is 3. Okay, the common difference is 3. Now, so since ang common difference ko ay 3, I can now get actually the first term. So, that is a equals 6 times 3 times 3. Or, the first term is actually equal to 6 minus 9 or negative 3. Okay, you have the first term, you have the common difference. From here, makukuha na natin yung 2019 term. And we know, ang 2019 term is actually equal to 2019 term is actually equal to a plus, okay, 2018 times d. That is negative 3, okay, plus 2018 times 3. And 2018 times 3, that is 6,054 minus 3. That is actually equal to 6,051. Okay?